Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 10th class from Mathman. So today I will be telling you a story. One-eyed, two-eyed and three-eyed girls. Once upon a time there was a farm far from the town. A woman living there had three children, a one-eyed girl, a two-eyed girl and a three-eyed girl. The mother loved the one-eyed and three-eyed girl. She loved them more because they were special because of their unique characteristics. She didn't love the two-eyed girl because she was ordinary and nothing special, and she thinks of her as a disgrace. So the mother and the two daughters didn't treat the two-eyed girl well. They treated her very badly. They make her do all the work and they only gave her the leftover food. She felt hungry all the time because she was unable to eat enough food. One day she was weeping in the field and a fairy appeared out of nowhere. She asked why the two-eyed girl was crying. She said that everyone is treating her badly and she is not even getting enough food and hungry. The fairy gave her a magic stick. When the two-eyed girl is hungry, the stick will turn into a table with food all over it and she can eat until her stomach is full. So after she ate it all and she is no more hungry, if she tells a spell, the table will turn into a stick again. So from that day she never had to eat the leftovers again. She ate delicious food every day. So the sisters were suspicious of her because she stopped eating the food and she looked happy. So they wanted to find out how was she getting food. So one day they followed her into the field. When they saw that stick and that magic, they went and informed their mother. So their mother was furious. So when the two-eyed girl came home, she took the stick and broke it. The two-eyed girl was very sad and cried. They did it because they were jealous of the two-eyed girl. So the two-eyed girl ran away and was crying in the field. So the fairy appeared and asked why she was crying. When she told the story, the fairy said that don't cry, I know a solution. All you have to do is bury those broken pieces. And next day, it turned into a silver tree with golden fruits in it. The one-eyed and the three-eyed and the mother tried to eat the fruit, but when they try to reach it, the tree goes up. Only the two-eyed girl was able to take and eat the fruit. A prince came that way and saw the tree. He said that whoever brings the branch of the tree, he will give them a wish and they can have anything they want. So the two-eyed girl fell in love the moment he saw them. The three-eyed girl and the one-eyed girl and the mother didn't want her to grow. So she sat under the tree and was thinking, and a fairy came. She asked that, do you have any wish? I will grant it to you. She asked that she want to marry the prince. The fairy granted the wish, and a silver leaf from the tree came and fell on her clothes, and her clothes turned into a beautiful dress. And one of the trees turned into a big leaf. So she sat on that leaf and it took her to the castle. She took the branch along with her. She called the prince and gave him the branch. In return, she asked prince to marry her. The prince was mesmerized by her beauty and married her. She told how her mother and her sisters treated her, so the prince had them punished. They lived happily ever after. So that's it guys, thank you.